Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Open the Instagram field where you want the hug emoji, caption, story, bio, or DM, and place the cursor. Make sure your emoji keyboard is enabled in device settings, or open an emoji app if you prefer copy-paste. Tap the emoji icon and search for hug, care, or similar to find variants. Once done, insert the hug emoji where you want tone. This first step sets mood, so pick placement deliberately and keep edits minimal before continuing. Now you'll build the message. Place the hug emoji near keywords or tags to reinforce warmth, and use spacing or line breaks to control emphasis. In stories, convert the emoji into a sticker to resize, rotate, or animate. In captions, use multiple emoji for rhythm but avoid clutter. Once placed, preview the content, tap Draft or view a test DM to confirm the emoji aligns with text and doesn't break lines unexpectedly. These steps improve clarity and emotional impact. Finish by previewing the post or story, save a draft if needed, and publish when ready. You control timing and context. If the hug emoji shows as a blank box or a different symbol on other devices, update Instagram and your phone OS first. Compatibility is often the issue. If that doesn't work, replace the emoji with a tiny sticker or GIF to guarantee consistent display across platforms. One key tip: test critical posts by sending them to yourself before posting publicly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.